Alright, let's get real. When I started my business at the age of 20, I was thinking I was unstoppable and I know everything about running and growing a business. But yeah, life humbled me and I made a lot of mistakes. And in this video, I'm gonna share my 7 major mistakes I made when I started my freelance business at the age of 20. I was young, I was ambitious, full of energy, and completely clueless. So instead of building an empire, I made mistakes, big ones. And that costed me time, money, and a lot of sleepless nights. So today, I'm breaking down the 7 major mistakes I made so that you don't repeat them. And trust me, these will save you years and lots of trial and error. Mistake number 1, saying yes to everyone. I thought more clients meant more success. So I said yes to every single opportunity that came my way. The problem, I was stretched, I was underpaid, and I was working with people I didn't even enjoy. Lesson, not every client is your client. Pick wisely. Mistake number 2, underpricing my work. I was scared people won't pay me that what I was worth, so I priced it low. And even though initially a lot of people suggest you and recommend you that you keep your prices low or you work for free so that you get at least entry into the industry and you start getting work and all of that. But if you have your portfolio and if you have some work to show, which you can also create by creating sample projects before you start pitching to clients, you can start charging what you're worth from day one. And I made that mistake and I worked with a lot of clients at rates I wasn't very happy with. So mistake number 3, no systems, just cures. So I had no structure. I mean, even though I was into programs where I learned how to be very professional from day one, having proposals, invoices, templates, project management tools, and just everything. But then I had contracts, but then the overall structure was something I felt that would make the process difficult for me as well as my client. So if the client didn't insist it, I skipped it and I was like, I can do without it. But that lack of contracts led me to a lot of money not being paid, and not charging in advance. Oh my god, this is such a major one because so many people just got the work done and never paid me till date. And not one, not two, like so many clients did that. And even though they had their own reasons, but it is of course no way to justify that you can get the work done and don't pay them. So it was my mistake that I didn't had contracts in place and I was not very firm on the agreement and the term that I would want an advance payment to start the work. And that made me work with a lot of clients that not just got results and they didn't continue working with me, but also I never got paid for that. Mistake number 4, doing it all alone. I thought being a solopreneur, being a creator, being a freelancer is cool. So I would not hire until and unless I'm overflowing to work and doing all of that. But in the process of doing it everything alone and being a solopreneur, I did not hire people, not full time, not on contracts when I needed to. And I overworked myself. I was working like of course 12-14 hours a day, and even while I was not working, my brain and my mind was always on just thinking about work, and it led me to just more chaos, to be honest. So yeah, not hiring good team members at the right time was my mistake. Then mistake number 5, ignoring my mental and physical health. Major one, because I thought hustling is the only way to succeed. So, but what it brought me is burnout. When I was signing clients, I had projects, business was growing, but I was drowning. I was drowning and I was not taking care of my mental and physical health at all. And I realized that led to the major burnout I had, and overworking and continuously overworking for days and months at stretch led me to a lot of problems and health issues that I later had to fix. and I'm still working on them. Mistake number 6, no long-term vision. When I started at 20, my only motivation was that I want money and nothing beyond it. Because for, of course, every business, until unless money is coming, you are good. But nobody tells you that how it feels that when you have clients, when you have money, and you don't know what are the next steps going to be. So I only focused on short-term projects, short-term collaborations, and just finding the next gig and finding the next client and next project. So I did not have a long-term vision, and even though I had in mind why I was doing it, but I was thinking too small and too short-term. So that's one of the major mistakes. So these were the 7 mistakes I made when I started my freelancing business at the age of 20, and I am sharing this with you so that you don't repeat them if you are starting freelancing right now in any field, in any space. And if you're just starting out, learn from me, avoid these traps, and you will grow faster, smarter, and happier. Drop a comment with the biggest mistake you have made in your business journey, and let's help each other down there. And if you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment down below, and share it with a friend who is just starting out their business. They would really need it. And yeah, thank you for listening to me. I will see you in the next one.